yeah, Hopted allows you to create what are called calculated columns. So basically, these are new columns that are transformations or combinations of metrics or attributes from other columns. So it's easy to actually to create one. So you can just select a custom source, and over here, click on a formula. Um, In this case, I want to create a calculated column showing me the value of my inventory if I'm going to sell it. So in this case, I'm going to use the total units multiplied by the price. And this will show me the inventory valuation, let's say like that.
Mm.
Let me save obviously none of the Amazon reports showing you this kind of metric, but yeah, as you've seen, it's pretty easy to create your own. It's limited by your
Mm-hmm.
imagination actually.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll go ahead and save our changes to our sync and and see see the result. Let's wait a bit.
Mm-hmm. So is this price of the unit that we have, for example, of the co cost of goods, or no? I think it's populating the price on Amazon and the total units we have in stock, like it's potential sales, kind of. I understand.
Yeah, correct.
Right, so we can just use our imagination, as you mentioned, to create exactly what we need. So based on our problems as, say, private label sellers or maybe wholesale sellers, we have different metrics that we really care about. So, for example, we want to see the potential sales um, we might get from all the inventory we have. All right, so then we can base our, further shipments that we want to buy, like further like inventory that we want to buy, you know, somewhat based on that metric or what any other metric that, people might think of. We can combine them into formulas. And I guess to do these formulas, we can, again, maybe speak with AI to help us or just use our own brain kind of thing uh, to maybe kind of create the formula in a way to put it there because it can be really creative here. There's so much to do.
Yeah, absolutely. You're not limited. You can even, for example, actually it's a good idea, but maybe we can come up with some kind of a formula that's already also using an AI. So for that, let's do something interesting here.
Okay.
Let me go ahead and add the sync. We'll ask Hopted to bring an additional field, for example, product name.
Hmm.
So this is our title of our products. And then we can use a custom calculated columns, which uses an AI. For example, AI, let's see whether it works. I've never tried it. We can use a formula, an AI formula saying let's work over this product name. Maybe we can categorize it or something. What's your ideas? What we can do with the product title? Maybe an improvement. We can ask an AI to improve it with the keywords, right?
Hmm.
Or what's your thoughts?
Or we would say we have a catalog of different brushes for painting. I'm here now in Bangkok. Recently, was doing some drawings. So maybe I'm selling 100 different types of brushes, but we have certain types
Okay.
of brushes, like maybe small brushes and big brushes. So we
Yeah.
have, so we can, for example, so let's try.
Okay, so we can ask an AI to come up with the labels because obviously this account, seller account, Amazon account doesn't sell the brushes,
Hmm.
but we can ask an AI to come up with tags based for for this particular
Hmm.
products, right?
Okay.
So yeah, Vova, actually it's a great idea of of showing how we can use AI with these calculated columns. So we can go ahead and say something like label stacks. enter AI and create a prompt for AI. For example, categorize this title with a single word as a label.
Mhm.
And we can include product name of the product name. Yeah, and see what will happen. All right. So we got the formulas here. Let's see the generate insights. Can actually select multiple. Okay, it's a lot of fields, but so that's why it's a little bit slow. But now it's on the Google Sheets site. That's why. Let's see for the first 25 products, what kind of labels have been created.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, and as you said, as you
Mm-hmm.
proposed of creating these kind of labels, we got them.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
We can actually select the whole column and ask to refresh everything, but yeah, it has 200 cells limit, but it will
Mm-hmm.
slowly populate everything. And we can, yeah, we can go ahead actually and do it a little bit more prettier. So I'll just go ahead and format everything. And here I will create it as a drop down like that. And just like that, using these calculated columns, we've created a labels as you've proposed.